Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. 2011 Ford Explorer. We have a problem here, and this problem is very simple, but we made it a little bit complicated. This is the radio sync module system for 2011. Thank you, Mr. Faisal on Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. The customer brought me the car. He said there is no communication with this one, but he have some codes. Those codes I will show you now here. They say because the airbag light, the ABS light was on, and couple of work are not okay. Why? Because the piece he put it in. He say it's no good. Stay with us. So I say, you know what? Let's diagnose the car. We use our FDRS to program it. When we went to the programming, you can watch the first video. He went into the configure program and he went in a place where he stopped. They say when you use this one here, you have to, he asked us to put the USB connector. This USB is double side USB. You see, you're gonna put it there on that area. Let me turn the light on. At the place where you put it in. Okay, double side USB. It's not like the other one. One is square, one is the simple one. So we put everything correct, but it doesn't work. Finally, we found that the piece that they have it is totally different from 2016. And you know, 2016 from 2011 to 2016 is a 5-year difference. That's too much. Okay, that's too much. And finally, what we did is say, you know what, it doesn't make sense. So let us go and look at the system. So when we look at the system, at the information here, it says that this thing is coming from Explorer 2016. 2016, it doesn't have this pin here, and it's just totally is a big gap of years. You know, like we have Sync 2, Sync 3, maybe more than that. And the new technology within 4 years, it will change. So let me go to this car. I just want to show you what code I get. It could be here in the history. You see, if you come here, you can see all the code that we have from the day we started. And some you see here. You see, I tried to restore the configuration, all the work that I did, but it doesn't work. So let me go here, and I just want to do a complete test to show you what I have. What code we have. I'm gonna go to all DTC to see what like configuration. ABS light is on. You see here. They say that it's looking for the radio. I'm not sure is that true or not. Ignition is on. Let me run the test for you. But the conclusion is that we found different part number. Different part number is coming from a different car. Even the connector here, they are different. This one here we have one, the other one doesn't have it. They eliminate this one because technology every time you go and become more easier. Let's read the information. I will show you the other one. Okay, when I come here to see to diagnose this car, if you notice here, there is no communication. Why? I'm not able even to communicate with a lot of stuff here. You see, I don't know why, but it looked like the radio have a lot of feature. All the communication fail. So let me go back and go to self-test modules, PCM, retrieve code. Say ignition on, say yes. Okay, it's not communicating. So Let me do something. I'm gonna put one of the module back. Notice even this one is totally different. This one from the junkyard with one connector. This from 2011, 2016. No good. I put this radio back, the aftermarket one, just to be sure, to make me, to see if I will be able to communicate with. Before this radio, when I put it, it was working. See now, it's coming on. Wow, you see, it's coming on. I don't know what is that. Perform. We're gonna wait to see what it say, and also communication is there now. Hopefully it's gonna communicate. You see now it's communicating. It has even the communication data with this car is have to be through here. I remember we program it. Wow. Okay. Connect to phone, climate.
Her car seat.
Wow.
I thought it was firecrackers, but after it was done after this,
Okay, let me see back.
After that, I knew it was gunshots.
Then she says she heard a woman screaming in agony that her child.
I don't know what's going on. Now it's working, but maybe nothing is there. Let me see what code is there. Programming is done, but ABS light is on. A lot of stuff are on. It doesn't. It look like I choose the wrong car. Okay, now what do you want to do? Let me try to see if I just configure it. Configuration, it never work. Anyhow, you see here, everything is work, radio, connection, but I don't believe.
Firefighters hurt in the fire in Annandale on February 17th. It broke out at 84 Strawbell Street. Part of the building collapsed.
Sound display.
3 firefighters sustained what was
GPS reset.
serious and permanent injury.
I don't know if that's going to work or not, but I am going to get the right one, because this is not going to help us no matter what. It's totally different one. I'm gonna leave this car here. I try to communicate with this one. I don't want to do anything on it, but let me go back to my IDS to see what code we're getting. VCM is gonna work in a few. I have Explorer that I choose, but this is wrong. This is 2006. It will not work. Delete the session. VIN was found, say yes. Now you can get the really data, the configuration, all the stuff that is not working. Let's go for it. This is the code we're getting. ABS control module, general checksum failure on ABS, communication with the accessory protocol, accessory protocol module, external memory card, BCM key issue, and we have a lot of code. Key, camera module, communication, lost communication, instrument cluster, maybe because system is not the same. ABS, general checksum failure, it could be because of this one here. So we're gonna wait and try to see if we can get the right part. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. Thank you. This is the reason why it's not working. We cannot program it, and they say that it drive all this code back. Why? Because I don't know, but they say that because of this is not the right, it create all these problems. So we're gonna leave this one here till we get the right part, and then we try again. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. Before there is no communication because we choose the wrong car, but it look like it's communicate, but it give codes for ABS, checksum and all these crazy items. Please subscribe, share and like. If you want to put the right part, please, if you want to put the right radio, say 11 to 2011 to 2015, 16 to 19 or something is different. And thank you, Mr. Faisal.